Welcome to Grow It's free training series. I'm Purnima Vijay Shankar, the founder of Femgineer. Femgineer is an education company where we teach techies like yourselves how to build products and companies. Previously, I was the founding engineer at Mint.com, where I helped build a prototype, launch it, and scale it. After the acquisition, I went on to building my own products and writing a couple books. I have also been a guest lecturer at Duke University's Pratt School of Engineering, an entrepreneur in residence at 500 Startups, and I'm currently the lead mentor in residence at Techstars in New York City. This video series is for founders like yourselves who have built a prototype and are stuck wondering how to grow your customer base or grow your revenue base. You're going to get a taste of some of our strategies, but more importantly, you're going to get a sense of what it's like to learn from myself and other instructors. Now, we're not going to be covering the run-of-the-mill startup strategies that you've probably heard from a lot of other folks. Instead, we're going to focus on the mistakes that a lot of founders make, and we're going to talk about why they make them, how you can spot the symptoms, and of course, what are some ways to get over them and grow your product, your customers, and your revenue. Each lesson in this video series has been designed to be 10 minutes or less, which makes it convenient to watch throughout any breaks you have during your day. And you'll receive about one video every few days. The other part of this is that it's not a one-way street. We would like you to watch the lessons and interact with us. We'll give you instructions for how to leave us comments and questions, and even any problems that you're experiencing today with your product and with your startup. After you've watched all the lessons in this series, if you want to learn more from myself and the other instructors, consider applying to our upcoming Grow It course. The application period begins in September 2016, and the course starts in October 2016. Don't worry, we'll dive into all the details about the course at the end of this series. Just sign up below and you'll receive the first lesson right away to help you grow it.